Once upon a time, there were two monks who were on a journey together. The older monk was very wise, and the younger monk looked up to him and wanted to learn from him. During their journey, they came across a river with a strong current. As they were getting ready to cross the river, they noticed a young and a beautiful woman who also wanted to cross. She asked the monks if they could help her. The two monks felt conflicted because they had taken vows not to touch women. But without saying a word, the older monk decided to help the woman. He picked her up, carried her across the river, and gently put her down on the other side. Then they continued their journey. The younger monk was shocked by what had happened. He couldn't understand how the older monk could break the rules by carrying the woman. After a few hours of silence, he couldn't hold his questions any longer and asked the older monk about it. The older monk looked at him calmly and replied, "Brother, I helped the woman to cross the river, but I let her go on the other side. Why are you still carrying her in your thoughts?" Suddenly, the younger monk realized that he had been carrying the weight of the past incident in his mind. He had been feeling guilty and regretful about what had happened. But he understood that there was no point in holding on to those feelings. The older monk taught him a valuable lesson about letting go. He explained that it's important to acknowledge our mistakes, learn from them, and then release them. Carrying regrets and dwelling on the past only brings more suffering. From that moment on, the younger monk decided to live in the present and accept what had happened. He understood that we can't change the past, but we have the power to shape our present and future. As they continued their journey, the monks became known for their wisdom and serenity. People sought their guidance, inspired by their ability to let go of regrets and find peace in the midst of life challenges. The story of the two monks serves as a reminder that carrying the burden of the past only holds us back. By embracing the present and letting go of regrets, we can create a future filled with growth, happiness, and inner peace.